Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salviatur Roma. In here I will presentation my company profile about Rumah Batik Al Huda Sidoarjo. Then the table of content, there is the business detail, the business basic, highlight, and the last is optional item. The first, I will explain the business detail. The name of company, there is a Batik Tulis Al Huda Sidoarjo. There is a home industry batik in Sidoarjo City. And the name of founder is Mr. Nurul Huda and established date is 1670. Location of the company in number 18, Perum Sidokare Asri, Blok AW, Perumahan Sidokare, Sepande, Kecamatan Candi, Kabupaten Sidoarjo, East Java, and postcode is 61271. And the contact information is 085230725506 or 0x3 H30102022, and email address is batiktulis.alhuda@gmail.com. There is a company basics include the aim of the company, description about vision and mission, description product and service, profit and revenues, business strategy, the story of company, and the last is a public relation. The aim of the company, there is a preserving and develop is a traditional batik as a national heritage, so that is the traditional batik most popular and favorite by many people, and also so that is many people can love the local product. And there is a description about vision and mission. The vision, there is a preserving the batik culture by teaching the proper way to make a batik and developing the home industry batik UMKM so that it develop more rapidly. And the mission, developing UMKM with batik product to develop rapidly in regions, country, and abroad. Introducing new batik patterns and motive to the community, growing and preserving the distinctive batik tradition of Sidoarjo, carrying out company activities with high ethical standard, with honesty, meeting customer needs by always providing high quality products through professional management for customer satisfaction. The product and service, Rumah Batik Tulis Al Huda Sidoarjo provides a various type of batik such as Maduris batik, Sari Kenongo batik, Jetis batik, and all others. And provides various types of batik fabrics such as jari clothes, shawl, men's and women's batik clothes, kids batik clothes, sarung, and etc. We also serve to learn to make a batik. The profit and revenues around 150,000 rupiah until 250,000 rupiah per month, and business strategy using social media such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and all others. There is a history of company, the beginning in 1670, the establishment of the Al Huda Batik House. The history of written batik in Sidoarjo coincided with establishment of the masjid. The name of masjid there is a Al Abror in the 1670 in Kauman village, which which adjacent to Kampung Batik Sidoarjo or Kampung Jete Sidoarjo. The Buta style of rice implies that in past Sidoarjo city is a rice producent. Not only can they meet the needs of the city, they also send outside the island. Likewise, cornflower motif in Sidoarjo. Until now, there are the sugar factories that are still stand strong are now. Melville, the parent of Mcville, saw that Sidoarjo is a city with the abundant fishery products. Another strong characteristic in the spinach flower patterns with the background story of Sidoarjo, which produces vegetables and makes the animal. One of them, the animal, there is a butterfly. The butterfly has a deep philosophy of the story of Sidoarjo. And in 2010, Batik Tulis Sidoarjo participating event. The IM to participating event there is a to develop the traditional culture to introduction in foraging and upward to love to Batik Indonesia. There is a event the cultural preservation event for awarding of UMKM with achievement in East Java para Samya Kartanugraha had received the Muri Record Award through the largest batik search. Not only that, Batik Tulis Al-Huda Sidoarjo participating event international event in Switzerland. With that, batik-batik in favorite by foraging, and 3 months later, the wife of the ambassador visit in the Rumah Batik Sidoarjo. And in 2018, the visit of the International Miss Tourism Queen to the Al Huda Batik House Sidoarjo. The visit of International Miss Tourism Queen, there is a to see how to make the batik, how to make the design of motif batik and all others, and also order some batik for souvenir which were distributed to contestants are the international Miss Tourism event in Thailand at 2018. Next, there is a public relation, the economic. Miss International participates in promoting batik. With the other, some batik for souvenir which were distributed to contestants at the International Miss Tourism Queen in event in Thailand at the 2018. There is a promoting the batik in abroad and manufacturing. And in the education, teach how to make batik. There is a teach to introduction various types of batik include Maduris batik, Sarikanoa batik, Jetis batik, and all others. And introduction various types of batik to the community, including the procedures how to make the batik correctly, step by step, and material from the material for how to make a batik, such as canting, malam, and all others like PPK Group Sidoarjo with the practice how to make batik correctly, how to design motif correctly, and all others. The highlight, there is a Miss International Revindia Karina visit the Al-Huda Sidoarjo Batik. The content of highlight, there is a awards, number of employees, and certification. The first, it is a awards. Award from the Governor of East Java, second place in the Cultural Preservation category, awarding the East Java Achievement UKM Parasamya Kartanugraha in 2010. And the number of employees in Rumah Batik Al-Huda Sidoarjo has 50 employees to make a batik. And the certification, the batik clothes from Al-Huda Sidoarjo, handmade batik home, craft has also been nationality certificates. Indonesia Print Batik. Next, there is a optional item, include a partner, testimonials, and photographs. In the partners, there is a school, largest company, and ASN. Because they need a batik uniform every free day and new employees admission. And in the testimonial, according to customer who subscribe at Rumah Batik Al-Huda Sidoarjo, the location is easy to reach. Batik fabrics are very good and affordable. Many variants of motif and price is variants, satisfying and friendly service. Miss International schools Batik Al-Huda Sidoarjo as a souvenir in a Miss International Tourism in Thailand. There are new motif creations that are interesting and different from other batik products. Then the last, it is a photograph. There is a Miss International Tourism. She and visit the, the Rumah Batik Al-Huda Sidoarjo to see how to make a batik, how to make the design of batik, and see various batik in the Rumah Batik Al-Huda Sidoarjo. And there is various types, motif, and colors in Rumah Batik Al-Huda Sidoarjo. There is a process of making batik in Al-Huda Sidoarjo with the handmaids, and there is the group of many people like PPK Sidoarjo or all others study how to make the batik correctly, how to design the motif batik correctly, and all others. And there is Mr. Nurul Huda, the founder of Rumah Batik Tulis Al-Huda Sidoarjo, and there is the product, the various batik. That's all for me, the presentation about company profile Rumah Batik Al-Huda Sidoarjo. Thank you.
Yeah.